How to fix games not opening on Windows 11. If you want to fix games not opening on Windows 11, then what you need to do is you need to simply go and right click on your Windows and then go for a run, and you will have this kind of window, right? So you need to simply go for the search, and then you need to search for regedit, and then click on OK, and then click on yes, and a new window will appear. So enlarge it. So here you need to go for the first option, double click on that, and here go for the upper right or the upper side, and then you need to type exe file. And once you've entered that, you will have this default option. So double click on that default, and you will have this kind of edit string page where you need to simply go for the value data, and under your value data, make sure that you need to type application and click on OK. And once you've done that, your default has been fixed, and now you need to again go for the upper side and then hit the backslash. And once you've typed the backslash, you will have this shell option. Simply go for the second option, which is shell. So hit the enter, and you will have these two options. So you will have the default, and then you will have edit flag option. So if your games are not being opened in Windows 11, then that is because of these two problems. So these values are not being set correctly, so that's why you're facing that problem. So simply double click on the default, and then you will have this kind of window. And here make sure that there is nothing under the value data, not even a 0. So if there's nothing, click on OK, but if there's something, you need to delete that or remove that, and then click on OK. And once you've done that, you can remove that, and then you need to restart your device. So make sure to restart your device after all of these settings, and after restarting, that's it, you can play your games. So that's how you can fix your games not opening on Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.